Hello, lovely people. This is a kind of question that comes up almost every year on the Maths GCSE. It is, in this case, this is an example question that was taken at Excel 2019. So the question is work out an estimate for the mean. And the reason it is an estimate is we don't know the actual earnings of each person. We only know the range within which their wages fall. So we've got to take the midpoint of the class interval, because that's our best estimate of their wages. We know it's somewhere between 50 and 150, and they could all be 51 or they could be 149. But if we go the middle, it's like the centre point, so we might as well take the midpoint. So we're going to work out the midpoint for each of these class intervals. Then we need to add up all the wages of all the people. So we have one person who worked on average £100. So we're going to multiply 1 times 100, midpoint times the frequency, to get 100. We then have 13 people who earn approximately 200 each. Remember, we don't know it's exactly. We're just taking the midpoint. We're saying they earn 200 each. So all their wages add up to 2,600 because we do 13 times 200 to get 2,600. And then 3 people earn approximately 300 each, so they total up to £900 in the week, and so on, and we do it for all of them. So we then got to add up all the wages of all the people. So we're going to sum up those numbers that we've just calculated. Now we know the mean is when you add up all the numbers and divide by how many there are. So in this case, we're going to take the sum of all the wages and divide by how many people there are. So we've been told in the question there are 20 people, and we could total the frequency and find that as well. So we're going to do 5,100 divided by 20, which is £255. Now, as a final thing here, always check whether your estimated mean makes sense and falls somewhere within the ranges given. In this case, 255 does fall within, well, it falls somewhere between 50 and 550 and round about the middle. So we can say that that actually makes sense. So it's a sensible answer. So it's right.